Dear children, today we will focus on Gandhiji's idea of Satyagraha. This is a very philosophical topic, but there can be a question of 3 marks. What was Gandhiji's idea of Satyagraha? अगर ऐसा मैं पूछूं तो आप बोलोगे गांधी जी तो ये बोल देते एक थप्पड़ अगर किसी ने मारा तो आप दूसरी गाल दिखा दो. So that was Gandhiji's idea of Satyagraha, and in fact it is true. It means what Gandhiji wanted to say, that you should not have any ill feeling towards those who are doing something not good to you. Something, if they are injuring you, if they are hampering your interest, you don't do the same, you don't retaliate. You should try to bring a change in that person. So that we will discuss here under Gandhiji's idea of Satyagraha, and this has a great significance, and if you will see in your life, the path of truth is always successful. It takes you to success, and if you don't follow it, it is not going to give you long-term success. So what was his idea? He was focusing on power of truth. Gandhiji focused on power of truth. If the cause was true, उनके हिसाब से, if you are fighting for the true cause, then there is no need to use physical force. Violent होने की जरूरत नहीं है. There is no need to use physical force. Okay, so what you have to use non-violent technique. इसीलिए हमने पढ़ा कि जो तीनों मास मूवमेंट थे, you have discussed in junior classes, अभी भी हम उस मास मूवमेंट्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. So all these mass movements were without weapon. Large gathering of people for the cause of truth. Truth क्या था? इंडिया हमारा था. British were foreigners. They were exploiting us. That should end. They should go away from India. So he can gather large masses against the Britishers. We didn't have weapon. We didn't have any power. We didn't have administration. But still, Gandhiji gathered large masses of people, and that is with the help of his weapon Satyagraha. Okay, so he told there is no need to use violence. We can use non-violence. How to use non-violence? अगर ब्रिटिश हमारे साथ बहुत बुरा कर रहे हैं तो what to do? क्या हम भी उनके साथ लड़े? तो revolutionaries का वही approach था. They also wanted to kill British officers. But what Gandhiji told? No, we will bring a change through non-violence by appealing to the conscience of oppressor. हम ऐसा कुछ करेंगे जो it would be just affecting the mind of that person who is doing bad to you. Okay? जैसे हम पढ़ेंगे आगे, गांधी जी जो भी चंपारण में सत्याग्रह शुरू किए, there also he was fighting peacefully for the cause of the farmers, and British had to accept his demands. So 3 चीज याद रखना है. If the cause is true, there is no need to use violence. तो आप क्या यूज करोगे? Non-violence. And how to use that non-violence? By appealing to the conscience of the oppressor. So that was Gandhiji's idea of Satyagraha. And there is a source in your book. Look at the source. In this source, Mahatma Gandhi's idea of Satyagraha, उसके ऊपर में थोड़ा डिस्कशन है. Some people call it passive resistance. तुमको किसी ने एक थप्पड़ मारा, तुम चुप होके आगे कुछ कर नहीं पाए, तुम कमजोर हो. So that is okay, because some people call it that if you could not resist at the moment, that is weapon of the weak. But exactly it is not so. Satyagraha is not passive resistance, it is active resistance. Because if somebody is causing harm to you, in spite of that, you are showing good behavior to him. You are good for him. Okay, not from outside, but from your heart. So that comes from your heart. So that is a soul force. So Satyagraha is a pure soul force. It should come from your within. A person who is doing bad to you, to be good to him, it should come from your heart. Okay, so it is a pure soul force. There is no ill will in it. And third, it calls for intense inner activity. So Satyagraha is not passive resistance, it is in fact active resistance.